Right now we are on our way to the airport, and if you have been keeping up with my videos, then you already know that we are going to Vegas. It's 5:34 and we just made it to the airport with no sleep at all. We just checked in and now we're about to go through TSA. Here's us boarding for the first time. Everything seems normal up to this point. Now everybody's panicking because they told us we had to get off. So we boarded the plane and they made everybody get off because they said something was wrong. So now everybody's just waiting here confused. This was my original boarding time. It is 7:20 and we are boarding for the second time. It is 7:55 and we are taking off for real this time. It turns out the pilot was 2 hours late to work. Can you believe it? 9 o'clock, we finally made it. We were so worried that our flight was gonna get pushed to the next day. It is 9:15 and we just got to Las Vegas airport. Right now we are in a taxi on our way to the hotel. Here's a tour of our little hotel room if anyone is interested. Hi MTV, welcome to my crib. Come on in. Oh, so turn around. So this is my restroom. We got two little small wall closets. It's probably the shittiest part about this room because what is this? Not a real closet. But this shower though, 2 shower heads, that's a luxury. Y'all bitches can't afford that. Let's see if there's a bidet. No bidet. Broke. Well, look at this handle. How do you even use this? Do you press it? Oh. Let's go in the room. So this is the room. Pretty small, but we got this white fancy looking couch, this little table, and our king size bed. Some woman, and a mirror on the ceiling that's not even straight, our TV, and our view. Check out this view. This is the view from my hotel room. We are staying on the 16th floor of the Sahara. You can see across the street is where the festival is gonna be on Saturday. They're currently setting up right now. We're at Ross because he forgot to bring socks. Right now I'm getting ready to go out tonight. Don't mind the messy room. We just unpacked. We literally just got to the hotel and I just finished my shower. That's why my lashes are wet. I don't even know if I should be doing my makeup while my lashes are wet. But let's see how this goes. I just finished getting ready. The lashes look way better with makeup on. This is my outfit for tonight. It's very much a Barbie moment. Follow my Instagram at Miss Helen Chen if you guys would like to see all of my vacation outfits.
Go!
We didn't even cheers. You already drank yours.
Cheers!
We played Truth or Drink and got super drunk right before this. So it was kind of hard for me to vlog the rest of the night. How drunk are you?
5.
5? 5 out of 10 or 5 out of 5?
No, 10 out of 5. 10 out of 10.
Do you guys want Asian noodles or Italian noodles?
Italian. It doesn't matter. Asian, Italian, same thing.
Whole lot of difference. We're at Asian right now.
Let's do Asian.
Let's do Asian.
You're Asian yourself.
Yeah, I'm Asian.
Y'all are
We're at dinner right now, but everybody is too drunk. And we're embarrassing ourselves.
That's all you.
We
That's all you.
asked about yours.
Our first night, we decided to see the Magic Mike show. We just wanted to do something easy and chill because it was our first night. We're gonna see Magic Mike live right now. The show was way better than we expected. It was just like the movie, if you guys have seen the new Magic Mike movie. It's exactly like the movie. No.
That's so real, so lush, so vivid, so dangerous. That you wake up tangled in your sheets, not knowing where you are.
That's the end of day one. Oh boy. We did not sleep at all. We haven't slept in like the last 24 hours. It's not that deep. Easy peasy.
Wasn't as bad as I thought.
He's taking off his contacts, by the way.
Stop.